So Brandon's tackle box is now in the water. Whoa. Jesus
And you can hold on to this right here. Here.
Take that for me. I'll give you yours too, and you can set yours down.
Oh my God.
We gotta do quick. Do it quick. Your tackle box is floating down the creek. I mean, it looks like they'll bite at basically anything. Yeah, cast one of those again. Use what's working. All right, I got it right over there. Oh! Got him.
Nice.
Got him!
Awesome, dude. Did you really? That's cool.
Look, 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 look.
Oh yeah. Wow. Hell yeah.
All right, I don't know what that is at all, but that was really, really fun.
Awesome.
All right, so just got this little guy. I don't know what that is. Really cool looking. Look how pretty that is, dude.
Wow.
That's a pretty little fish.
That is nice.
All right, so I'm gonna let him go. And he's off. All right. That was so cool. That was probably one of the coolest catches I think I've ever had. And I know it was just a little tiny fish, but that was so fun. That was my first fish other than a bass or a carp, I'm pretty sure. So, Brandon, check this out. This is where I was throwing, dude. Check this out. Oh. I was pretty sure that was a bite.
Yeah, I keep getting them every time.
No, that wasn't a bite. That was some sort of moss or grass or something. Wow. Who knew creek fishing would be? This is so much fun.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh shit. Here. Did you really just get a fish?
Is there one on there? Oh.
I'm hung up on you.
What? I'm right here.
Oh. I'm hung up on something.
Some other person's line, probably. That's funny.
I think that's my old line, actually.
No kidding?
Yeah.
That's funny. How can we get down there? I mean,
They're going for them.
there we go. There we go.
That was a good. That was good.
Got one. Oh, no.
I know. It's crazy. I keep getting that too. Oh shit.
Damn it. Damn it, dude.
There we go. Are you just laying it on the floor for a while or what?
I'm just hopping it off the bottom.
Maybe I should put a tiny craw on there.
It's not about the tiny craw. It's about a tiny little weight that'll like help it sink straight.
Yeah.
So they look like they're feeding off the bottom. Then all these other little tiny fish are coming to check it out, I guess. I don't know. This is crazy weird, dude. It's so cool. I mean, no, I've never done anything like this. I'm usually fishing ponds and...
Oh no.
You-
That's gone. Bird's nest gone. Bird's nest and gone.
A little bit of both. You got it. There it is. Yeah, you just tighten up that drag and rip it out of there. This is taking me way too long. All right, there we go.
You saw it.
Let's cast in there. I'm gonna cast in there.
Yeah. That was good. I didn't know.
Oh yeah, I felt a tick tick when I dropped it. I'm just letting it sit there at the bottom.
There we go.
That's a bass, dude.
All right.
You caught a bass.
All right.
Look at that.
Sweet. Fuck, dude.
Here, yeah. Nice, show it to the camera. It's a good one.
Cool, dude. That's pretty.
Little creek bass, dude. Good for you. So you were casting over in that little brush area?
Yeah, I keep getting them just right over there. Over and over. Relentlessly.
That one you probably had to set the hook a little harder on, huh? Because it
Yeah.
was a bass.
I just waited. I kept feeling him and I just waited.
Oh, did you see that little jump right there?
Yeah. Thought that was your bait for a minute.
Uh-uh. I've never caught a sunfish before. That was my first one, ever.
Oh, that's what that was? Yeah! Yeah, it has to be because...
A bluegill or something like
Yeah,
that?
I saw some other dudes in the creek by Bob Woodruff, and I was like, what's in here? He's like, there's sunfish,
Yeah.
and bass, and... But yeah.
I think it was a little sunfish, and then yours was obviously a
Cool how we
largemouth.
both caught different things.
Right?
I think that's really
A little multi-species going on. Got one.
All right. Hell yeah.
Oh,
That guy.
another little oh my gosh.
That's awesome.
It's a little microfish, dude. Look at his little eyes.
Dude, he went for it.
I know. I'm trying to figure out where this hook's at in him. Damn, I can't
No
get this
shit.
out. I'm having trouble.
Got another one. Oh, dude, did you fucking see that? I had him all the way up till here.
Well, there we go. That guy's gone.